This is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. It's a mid-month reading for the month of May 2021. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Guys, this is a general reading. It's not time specific or gender specific. So if the reading doesn't resonate with you, please don't be disheartened and go check out your other signs. Messages for Aries. Messages for Aries. Okay. You've got the Ten of Cups, the Six of Cups, the Fool, and the Seven of Pentacles. You've also got the Ace of Swords under the deck. Aries, I feel there's a brand new beginning that is happening in your life right now. When it comes to love, you are going to be entering a phase of your life where all your dreams seem to have come true. The ideal partner, the ideal family, the ideal love life. But beware of a certain someone from the past who wants to reach out to you. If this is the person who is someone you see as a soulmate, then I think communication needs to be made, because without any communication, this thing is not going to go ahead. But I feel that yes, there is somebody from your past who wants to talk to you. They have dreams about you. They see you as their wish fulfillment. But there is also someone who you have an eye on, who likes you, and this person is someone who is more stable and who is more emotionally available for you, Aries. So I think since these are two different people, it's all up to you whom you're going to choose. Yeah, whatever decision you take, you need to think it through. Don't take any erratic decisions. With the Fool card being here, I'm scared that you might just take a leap of faith without thinking it through. It's my duty to inform you that that is not something that is needed right now. So please think it all through before you take a decision. As far as money goes, Aries, you are going to be reaping the rewards of your labor, and just have faith that whatever investments you've done are going to pay off really well. If you were entangled in a legal battle, which of course was making you feel stuck in the present, Aries, you're going to be getting out of it. And I have a feeling that you were stuck with somebody, probably you were married or something, and this past person, that is the contact that is happening because you were stuck, and there's somebody new who sees you as their life partner. So you'll be getting out of these hangman energies very soon. Just have faith, and in case you need to change your perception about your problems, do so. The more negatively we think, the more negative things happen. Also, Aries, right now you are sitting on a gold mine. Probably there is an idea that is brewing. Probably you are working on some business venture, or you are going to be partnering with somebody. Whatever it is, it's going to give you a lot of money. Also, Aries, I feel you've got all your wishes are coming true, because you've got the 9 and 10 of Cups, both wish fulfillment cards. But it's just that you lack patience. You are manifesting exactly what you have set your mind to. So please just keep working on it, and suddenly it'll happen and you won't even know how it happened and what happened, and you'll just feel really happy. A lot of communication and passionate new beginnings coming your way. I feel you're very closed off right now, Aries, or the person that you are thinking about is a little closed off with their energies. But there is love that is going to be offered to you. And the person who's going to be offering you this love is someone who is financially stable. So I guess this person who had come with the um, 10 of Cups card. Guys, if you hear random snoring, that's my dog. She sits right next to the camera when I'm recording. I don't know why, but and she's a huge Tibetan Mastiff, so yeah, the snores can be a little scary. This relationship is a soulmate relationship, Aries. Have faith in your love, have faith in your capabilities. Things are happening in your favor. Lot of communication, and what goes up has to come down, Aries. And if you've been sad and if you've been going through trying times, have faith that all that is going to be out of your life very soon and you're going to be smiling again. All your wishes are coming true, Aries. Messenger of Fire. You've got a lot of communication coming in. As I said, you've got the Knight of Wands and the Messenger of Fire, which is actually the same card. And someone wants to communicate with you. Either business partner, romantic partner. And for some of you, it's just your dreams calling you. So a lot of communication regarding your new venture, your dreams, aspirations is coming true. Reconsider. If you had a question in your mind and you were unsure about it, the answer is reconsider. If there's something that you are a little wary about, you're not sure about whether or not to go ahead with it, reconsider, get more information, see if it's truly what you require right now, and then go ahead with it, Aries. Okay, work through your fears. The answers you need are coming. Expect a powerful change. What do you need to release? And your hard work is paying off. Hold your vision. Don't let go of things that truly matter to you, Aries. If you have to work your way around it, do so. But see, sometimes when we have to sacrifice a little in order to achieve our goals or keep a relationship going. And I think, Aries, you know it very well, right? When I lean towards love, I am led. Basically, love leads you. I've seen a lot of crescent moons in your reading. I feel this is a new phase in your life and a phase that you've truly waited for. Guys, this is all for your reading. I hope it resonated with you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.